Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Lab YouTube channel. You know it is trending fixing a dash cam in the vehicles these days. If your vehicle meet with an accident or if someone damaged to your car, you can get an evidence or proof from your dash cam. You can buy a dash cam between 20 to 200 US dollars in the market. But how to figure out a better dash cam from various dash cams in the market? I will present a special dash cam today. So, we will see what is the specialty of this dash cam and the other features. When we look at the box, we can see Vehicle Blackbox DVR as the title. And we can record full HD quality videos. The other main features are G-sensor technology. It means the dash cam will detect the sudden change in the direction. This could be caused by hard braking impact of crashing. When a dash camera detects this change, it will automatically lock the current video clip and save it in a protected section of the memory. 5 megapixel camera. We can shoot videos and photos. Recording facility. Motion detection facility. From this, we can capture sudden movement in front of the vehicle. Cycle recording facility. But they have missed the main feature of this dash cam. We will see what is it after unboxing this. First, we can see the main dash camera at the top. Then, we can see the user manual. The letters of this manual are very small. It is very difficult to read without a magnifying glass. This is the 12-volt car charger. Now we can see the windscreen mount. And what else? There is an additional camera. This is the main feature of this unit. This is a dual lens dash camera system. We can record the front view and back or side view simultaneously. I'm going to fix this DVR and check how it looks like. Now you can see we can rotate the secondary camera like this and we can move up and down the secondary camera. This is the TF card slot and it will support up to 32 GB memory card. This is the up button, menu button and down button at the bottom of the left side. I can see the mic and reset button when I turn the bottom side. From bottom to top right side view, these buttons are located: power button, hold button, mode button and finally OK button. HDMI and charging ports are located on upper side. I can adjust the angle of the main camera like this way. జాగ్రత్తగా